Hello, everybody. I've got my patriotic theme on. It is July 4th week, and I am so excited. Plus, I've got some other stuff going on as well. We have coming up a really great webinar on open houses. So there's my name, there's my telephone number, there is my email address. Thank you to the Orange County Association of Realtors for making it possible. Here's some credentials. I know for most people, they're like, okay, I get it. You've been doing this for almost a half a century. Boy, that's a pretty scary thing to say, right? Anyway, all that good stuff. Most all of my presentations can be found on our YouTube website at Burke Real Estate Consultants Inc. And this Friday, July the 11th, we are going to be doing at 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, holding a successful open house. Why would you want to hold an unsuccessful open house? I never understood the concept there. So if you've always done open houses a certain way, may I ask that you keep your mind open for something different? Remember, the most important part of doing an open house is the before and the after, not necessarily the during. Okay, get out there, make it happen. Again, Friday, July the 11th, 10 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Join us in this action-packed webinar. Get your QR code reader ready. Here it is. Click on the QR code. That'll take you right to signing up. And by the way, I should mention that it's free for members of the Orange County Association of Realtors. If you're not a member, it will ask you to pay, I don't know, $10. Send me a bill. All right. So assuming you attend the entire thing, right? So anyway, I do want you to be benefited from it. There's also a bit.ly link. It's bit.ly/OCAR open house. You can go to that as well. And if you want any of my previous webinars, visit our YouTube website. There it is again. A weekly email. We have email updates we send only once a week, but you've got to subscribe. If you don't subscribe, we don't send it. So it's definitely opt in. Thank you again, everybody. Appreciate your time here today. And I look forward to hopefully getting to see you on Friday at 10 a.m. Take care.